To use Zelle with Huntington Bank, start by ensuring you have a Huntington Bank account and the Huntington mobile app installed on your device. If you do not have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. First, log in to the Huntington mobile app using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu and select Transfer and Pay. Then choose Send Money with Zelle. If you are a first-time user, you will be prompted to enroll in Zelle by accepting the terms and conditions. Next, you will need to add your email address or mobile phone number to receive and send money with Zelle. This information will be used to identify you and facilitate transactions. Make sure to use an email address or mobile phone number that you have access to, as this will be used to notify you of incoming payments. To send money using Zelle, select Send Money and enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. Choose the account you want to use to send the funds and enter the amount you want to send. You can also add a memo to the transaction for your records. Review the transaction details and confirm to complete the transfer. To receive money using Zelle, the sender will need to send the funds to your enrolled email address or mobile phone number. You will receive a notification when the funds are sent, and the money will be deposited directly into your Huntington Bank account. You do not need to take any action to receive the funds, as they will be automatically deposited. It is essential to only send money to people you know and trust, as transactions using Zelle are typically irrevocable. Also, be aware of any transaction limits and fees associated with using Zelle. For more information, you can visit the Huntington Bank website or contact their customer support. By following these steps, you can easily use Zelle with your Huntington Bank account to send and receive money quickly and securely. Remember to always use Zelle responsibly and only send money to people you know and trust.